Moving forward then, chapter 4. Here's what you can expect from chapter 4. Chapter 4 has our quadratic family. So we have quadratic functions. We had regression in here. We had characteristics. Gentlemen, please. And I think the last piece that you need to know about those is parameters. Quadratic functions, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. That's our main model. Regression, remember to do the table. If you're a Desmos, it's y sub 1 tilde ax sub 1 squared plus bx sub 1 plus c. Characteristics just included things like minimum, maximum, vertex. Oops, that was not a maximum. Maximum, minimum. The vertex has a minimum. There's a maximum. The vertex is a point x and y. What else did we talk about here? Intercepts. Thank you. So we talked about the intercepts. Where do they cross the horizontal axis? Where does it cross the vertical axis? Last but not least in that were the parameters. And I think I'll just chuck those right in here. Parameters were, what is A? What's the significance of A? What's the significance of the B value? And what's the significance of the C? They're actual numbers? Yes, but what do they mean? What's their significance? And so given a scenario, okay, this is hint time. We struggled with this, so you're going to see it again. Promise. Tomorrow, or next Tuesday. If I ask what is C, I don't want the number, and I don't want you to say, well, that's the initial value. I want you to tell me, in terms of the problem, what is it? What does that number mean then? And remember, this is an amount usually, a quantity. B is a rate. It's the rate of change at initial input. Also called instantaneous rate of change. I don't need the definition. I don't need the actual value. I need to know what it signifies in the context of that problem. A, remember it's 1/2. Rate of change of the rate of change. There's a better way to say that. You'll find it. So, if B is the rate of change at the initial time, after that initial input, it's usually time, after that, this is either going to get faster or slower, and how much faster or how much slower is given to us by the A value. Twice the A value tells us how much faster or how much slower the rate of change is changing. You can have these things. I've not put anything on here that you could not have on your reference paper.